This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Bouton. Amazing top floor, custom corner unit with open floor plan designed by the builder. Best location in Bellavista. Panoramic view of golf course, lake and pool. Turnkey. The owner is an artist and is also leaving her beautiful paintings. 3-bedroom 2-bath. Open eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar. Crown molding throughout. Custom furnishings and window treatments, beautiful lighting with chandeliers. This unit is fully furnished. Sunblock covering on all windows, ceiling fans in all rooms, lots of storage. Hugh master bedroom overlooks golf course and lake and opens to the lanai. Updated master bath has a jacuzzi tub and frameless glass enclosure shower. The oversized garage has epoxy floor, storage, and accommodates 2 cars and golf cart. Electric hurricane shutters. Location close to elevator, parking, storage and pool. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Bouton at 239-229-7571.